guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an elf, a cute elf. It's going to be really simple. It's for beginners, for kids. If you've never drawn in your life, you're in the right spot. I'm going to be using a marker, and you can use any marker you want. But that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Pay attention, and let's get going. You don't have to follow along. You can also watch. It's only going to be like a few minutes. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw a U shape. It's going to be for the underside of the face. Oh wait, there you go. Pull a line across that. It's gonna be the brim of the hat. Throwing that, kind of just make it a rectangle. It's really just gonna be the brim of that hat. Pulling kind of like a little slight taper for the hat that he's gonna have on. Top part of the hat. Pulling at a little taper here and a ball. Wearing his Christmas hat. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two lines down on each side. Pulling in, kind of at a curve. And at the very end I'm going to throw a V shape, and that's going to be the bottom of his shirt. Square. And I'm going to make that his belt. I'm just pulling these lines in a curve at the end. It doesn't have to be exact, it's good enough. Line down for kind of where the shirt closes. And then little U shapes here for the bottom of the collar. Line down here for the feet. Pulling in a curve up. We got that little pointed shoe on this side. Pull down, flat. I'm going to pull two lines out of the side of his head and two lines on the other side. That's going to be his arms. Pull down. Little nub for his hands. And everything you do doesn't have to be exact, guys. It doesn't have to be like exact copy. It'll be close enough, and that's it. Throwing eye here. We can just kind of throw like a kind of an oval shape. Another oval shape. A smile. And let's throw straight line out, throw a curved line downward, and throw a line out here for kind of the edge of the inner ear. If you really want, you can throw kind of a circle. It generally displays the inner part of the ear. And that's pretty much it. That is a Christmas elf. If you really want, you can throw like a nose on there, but I'm not going to do that. I like it like this. I am going to throw a thick line around the border. So I want to talk to you while I'm doing this thick line around the border. I like the thick line around the border because it kind of makes it look like a sticker. It's kind of neat. While I'm doing that, I want to talk to you about art supplies. So art supplies are extremely important, and there's so much junk out there, and I've tried all of it. And what I want to do is I wanted to kind of make it so people would never kind of buy that stuff again, the bad stuff. So I made a list, and check out the link in the description. There is a list of art supplies that I have tried and I think are amazing. And so I put them by category. I put them by markers, by paint, by Wacom tablets, for digital art, for I put specific, like I said, colored pencils and books that I think are a must-have, that I think if you're learning art. Those are all on there, and they're all approved by me, and they show just basically links on Amazon of where to get them. So I mean, I'm not, obviously I don't sell stuff like that, but that's pretty much it. Check out that link, and I think it's going to give you a ton of value. A ton of value. Please check that out. It'll be the best thing you ever did, because I hate when people waste money on junk art supplies. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Check that link out. Another thing is comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. And talk to you later.